This is not just a story, this is a legacy. The legacy of the fire, the grit, and the glory. This is the Iron Man saga. The dream was big, but the reality was a baptism by fire. That first step into the cast house, the roar, the hit, the sheer scale. You knew right then you were not just starting a job, you were answering a call of duty. And then comes the daily symphony, the hit in your bones, the pressure of chemistry and output, the constant hum and changing. It's a life that forges a man who can truly say, रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं नाम है आयरन मैन. But this duty created empty chairs at home, missed birthday, the promise next time beta. We carried that guilt, balanced only by the silent pride of providing for our families. And the pressure was relentless. The 3 a.m. calls, the shouts, the production down क्यों है? Cost कहाँ है? We become the shock absorber, caught between the office and the furnace floor. Our relief was here in this brotherhood, sharing what stories over chai, laughing about our boss's guidance and decisions, sighing over a tough cast. This was our therapy, the only ones who understood the fight. But then things goes wrong. Theory ends, instinct begins. $1 million decision rests on your shoulder. The team is watching. In that moment, you cannot break. So you go beyond the rule book, a gut feeling, a different flame. You stick your reputation, your peace of mind on one decision. This is the ultimate calculated risk. And when it pays off, when the iron flows smooth and perfect, there is no feeling the world like it. This is our victory, our eureka moment. With that victory, a leader is born. Your role changes. It's no longer about making iron, it's about making Iron Man. You teach the why. You become the mentor you once needed. But, gentlemen, but this life keep a laser. The hearing loss, the bad back, the broken sleep. We give our youth to the furnace. The body keeps the laser and the bill always comes. Yet our spirit's stronger than steel. We are survivors, innovators. Challenges से भागो मत, उनका सामना करो, because that struggle gives life its greatest joy. The award came. They are not just paper, they are battle honors. The proof of the battle we fought and won together. And one day you realize the truth. We didn't just make iron, we made resilience. We made a brotherhood. We built a legacy. We lived a life of purpose. But all shifts end. The last cast is done. The heartbeat of your career falls silent. You walk out of the kit for the final time. And now you are home. The chair is filled, but after 35 years of chaos, the silence is deafening. The furnace doesn't call. Who are you without the fire? You are legacy. Your knowledge lives in those you trained. Your stories are now plant folklore. मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता है. But when it does, it forges an unbreakable strength. This is for you. To every Iron Man still in the fight, we see you. We feel your struggle. Your sacrifices is seen. Your courage is legendary. You are the unsung heroes. You are the real Iron Man. So, from all of us, Jai Ho, Iron Man. Thank you for the fire. Thank you for the great. Thank you for the glory.